We have collected a lot of information about the iPhone 16 series, including details about how it looks and what its camera might be like. Now, it seems someone has shared a picture that might show the hardware of the iPhone 16. The picture shows the back camera part for the regular iPhone 16, and it looks like the cameras are arranged vertically. This is different from previous models. Many sources have talked about this change, but the person who shared the picture, Megan Boo, has been right and wrong about things before. Sometimes, Megan Boo has been right about iPhone leaks, but not always. This time, a reliable source checked the picture Megan Boo shared. They have good connections in the industry. They confirmed that the thing in the picture is the main camera part for the new iPhone 16. This is for the basic model of the iPhone 16 that will come out later this year. Megan Boo's latest post matches what many sources have said about Apple's plans for the iPhone 16 cameras. Some leaked iPhone 16 models also show this change in design. People are talking about it a lot. They say Apple will arrange the cameras vertically, like they did with the iPhone 10 or iPhone 12. Right now, the standard iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus have cameras in a diagonal layout. Switching to a vertical layout will be a big change. Adding spatial video recording to the base model iPhone 16 would be a big deal. It means all iPhone 16 models could capture 3D videos that work with Apple Vision Pro. Right now, only the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max can do this. As for the new camera layout in the iPhone 16 lineup, it's exciting. The cameras will be arranged vertically, which is different from how they are now. This change might bring new possibilities for taking pictures and recording videos. Overall, it sounds like a cool upgrade for the iPhone 16. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling. I'll see you in the next one.